Now that I have my table here, one of the things I need to do next is I want to make an exploded drawing. So to do that, I'm going to come over here to where it says bodies, and I'm going to right click, so two finger click on where it says bodies, and I want to create components from the bodies. So I want to click where it says create components from the body. You'll see that you see the components down here. The bodies themselves are actually in the components. So this is body one in the components section right there. Okay, the next thing I want to do is come up here to where it says design, and we're going to go to where it says animation. So I click on that, and it's really easy to make an exploded drawing. All you do is you click here on transform components. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to select the tabletop, and then I'm just going to pull on this arrow, and let's just pull this up a little bit. And I click OK. I'm going to transform this piece right here. Again, just click on that arrow, pull it away, click OK. Select this one here and pull it away. I'm going to select this one here and pull it away. And then I'm going to click OK. I'm going to select this one with transform and just pull it away so that we can see all of the different components as if they've been exploded. You can also play this. So if I just play this video, you'll see that it explodes right down here. All right. Thank you for watching.